knew all of his angles, he may have planned this shot. This feline would never try to hack you. Look at that innocent face. He tried to cover the camera lens, but his little paw just couldn't get there in time. This little furball just realized what happens if you have a little too much catnip. He's used to the front-facing selfie lens. Whiskers here didn't even fully fit in the frame. He got a tad bit too close for his close-up. This one had something more sinister than online shopping on his mind.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.